Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you, Havie Lamp Cordless Touch Table Desk Light. So you might be wondering, what is the Havie Lamp that you may be hearing or seeing online? So the Havie Lamp here is a cordless ambient table lamp that also works as a Bluetooth speaker and white noise machine. Now, according to the official website here, well, it is designed for bedrooms, desks, bathrooms, movie nights, and other spaces where softer lighting is preferred. It offers 18 color modes, adjustable brightness, volume, static, dynamic lighting, and a color gradient mode. Now, music, synchronized mode, and a red light mode here. So there are different modes here that you utilize. Now, how do you exactly use this? Now, to use the Havie lamp here, you need to charge it, or you need to charge the lamp through a USB-C port. And the website says charging takes less than an hour, with approximately like 4 to 12 hours of battery life, depending on the brightness and volume. Now, you can control the lamp through its touch controls or include remote, choosing the color, brightness, and timer here. Now, for the audio itself, Havie has built-in white, pink, brown, or you can connect a phone or other device through the Bluetooth and use the lamp as a speaker. Now, the lamp also has a 30, 60, and 120-minute auto-off timer. So if you're wondering about that, so they do have that in their details here in their key features, as you can see right now. So, for the lamp itself, it's rated 6 watt for its technical details here. It measures around 5 by 5 by 5.3 inches, weighs around 1 pound, and uses a lithium ion battery. And it is not waterproof though, so although the manufacturer says it can be used in bathroom or during the shower if it's unplugged, kept on a dry, stable surface, and protected from direct water and splashes. Now, the official website here lists it at around $69. That includes a 2-year warranty and 60-day free returns. Now, if you want to order the product, you go and just visit their website and just click on the add to cart button, and it just works, or the website works like any typical website out there. You just click on the checkout button here and basically fill out the necessary details. So, in simple terms, your Havie lamp here combines an ambient lamp, Bluetooth speaker, and a noise machine in one rechargeable unit, with controls for lighting, sound, and automatic shut off here. Now, if you're interested with this product here, it is highly recommended that you do your own research, or read reviews, read details outside their website, just to make sure that you are getting the most out of your money. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, you to like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.